going on, beautiful people? Please be sure to give this video a big, gigantic thumbs up because I'm about to show you guys how to make a quick $50 and you don't have to do a single thing. But before I get into it, please go over and join the Work at Home Lounge over on Facebook. That link will be in the description box down below. I have a whole lot of nuggets in here, people showing payment proof. I'm sharing some nuggets, one of the same nuggets I'm going to be sharing with you guys. There are people who are getting hired, as you can see here. People who ask questions and, you know, they get suggestions and things. Of course, I do share work at home job leads over here as well. It's just a lot going on in the group, you guys. Upwork has been coming nonstop. I have shared Upwork here on the YouTubes as well. Super duper amazing nuggets in this group. So you guys should definitely come over here and get you some of these nuggets. Now let's get into how to make a really quick 50 bucks. After I show you guys this, send me an email. My email will be in the description box. Use the email in the description box to get in on this 50 bucks. All you're going to be doing is letting this company post ads using your social media account. You do not have to do any work and you will be paid $10 for each session. You do 5 sessions. The young lady is going to call you on the phone. You're going to actually download a program to your computer. They're not going to ask for your Facebook password. They're not going to ask for any of your personal information, okay? You'll simply download this extension on your computer and they will do all of the work through this extension, okay? And the extension password will change every time you log out of the extension. So they will not have access to any of your personal information, all right? 100% legitimate. I've already gotten paid and there are several people who I've shared this with who have also gotten paid, okay? I'll give you all of the instructions after you shoot me the email, okay? So here's what you're going to do. When you email me, I'm going to give you some instructions of what you need to follow. You're going to come to this website. All of the instructions will be in the email that I send you. Do you have access? Do you have a laptop or computer you access Facebook from? Click yes, okay? You definitely need to have a computer. You cannot do this from an iPad. You cannot do this from a tablet. You cannot do this from a phone. You have to do it from a computer and you have to be at the same place. So every time the young lady calls you to do the session, you're going to have to be at the same computer that you were at when she talked to you before, okay? So keep that in mind, computers only. Do you have a Facebook account that is more than 6 months old? Click yes. Have you ever used your Facebook account for advertising purposes? Click no, okay? If you click yes, it will automatically disqualify you. Are you willing to sign up for a free PayPal account? Most people already have PayPal. If you don't, go over to paypal.com. It's free, sign up. It's very secure. I'm pretty sure most of you guys already use PayPal. You know what PayPal is. Click yes, okay? And as you can see, it will say, congratulations, you're pre-qualified to make 50 bucks. And then when you shoot me the email, I'm going to give you all of the instructions to make sure that you are pushed to the top of the line so that you are contacted. It's probably going to be, it'll probably be the next day or maybe, I don't know, no more than a day or two that she's actually going to give you a phone call. Okay. So shoot me an email. All of the information will be down in the description box down below or the pinned comment if you want to get in on this. One of the easiest $50 you'll ever make. Literally, you're going to be sitting at your computer. You're not going to be doing anything. They're actually going to be working through the extension on your computer and you're going to get paid. Okay. Period, point blank, exclamation point. Again, the easiest 50 bucks that you will ever make. A lot of people, y'all probably need $50 right now. 50 bucks, that easy. Okay. Shoot me a message to the email in the description box or the pinned comment and I will get you started. Bye.